Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find your device even if it's offline. So if you have a Samsung phone and it's currently offline and it's lost, you don't know where it is, you can use this strategy or this tip that I'm going to share with you how to find it. So all you have to do, guys, go to your settings and you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom and go to tips and user guides. Now you want to scroll down to the option that says security and privacy. Now from here you have few security tutorials, and at the last one there you can see it says find your phone even when it's offline. Now if you click on that, it shows you how it works, right? And basically you need to turn on the feature that will allow you to do this. So simply click the go to settings there and it will take you right into find my mobile, and you can see the option there that says offline finding. So it basically allows you to locate your phone even if it's offline, right? So it will, you just need to go ahead and toggle it on, click turn on, and this will allow you to find your device even if it's offline. And that's how you can easily enable this. And now from now you can always go ahead and use the Samsung Find and you'll be able to find this device even if it's offline. Guys, I recommend that you turn this feature on because this is going to allow you to still find your phone when you lose it even if it's offline. And that's very good for you to do. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.